Hey, so I just got this new blanket basket in the mail, and I'm excited to open it up. And I thought I would do that with you all. This is how it comes packaged, and we'll just unfold it. I think we can just press down the middle here. It's a pretty good size. Um, the handles are basically like the same thickness as the rest of it. Seems really well made, like high quality. I think this is going to look really cute in my space. I use a lot of neutral colors like grays and tans and gold, cream, that sort of thing. And this is going to go really well with all of that. Um, I'll just kind of show you as far as the size goes. So I have this on wide angle right now, but the this is like a little throw blanket from my couch, like can easily like cover a person. And that's like way down in there. And so I think I could put probably, I don't know, um, probably 5 good sized blankets in here. And if I roll them and kind of stuff them like where they're sort of standing upward on their sides, I think I could probably do even more, just depending. Or I keep some really big king size comforters around too for like guests and stuff. And so I could probably put, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 of those in here, depending of course on the thickness. The ones I have are pretty thin, but this is great. I like that it has handles that I can lift it up and move it easily with. Yeah, it's really beautiful. I'm super excited to have this on display in my house. It just helps me to keep things, you know, organized and looking nice, things that would usually look kind of messy. So, of course, I'm not going to throw blankets in there like that. But anyway, I hope this helps you. I really like it a lot.